Yes, hello guys. Today I'm going to do some plants. I've been several succulent plants, those that mostly intrigue me, that grow in dry areas in the desert. But I've got one that today I'm going to share. Amongst them, many I have, as you see over the far end, if you can see over that, that is it's called a devil's spine. I don't know why they call it like that, but it's a good plant that knows how to survive in this desert. You can see some aloe vera in that end, the sharp ones. Devil's spine, if you didn't get it, this is it. It knows how to grow, can go a very long time without water. And it comes with also the cashiers. These ones are usually so thorny, so we're not touching most of them all. Got a little garden, tried to put up some growth around here. And what intrigues me most is not the trees that I plant around, but this one succulent plant called Echeveria. It's called Echeveria elegans. These are plants that you will use in your office, could use in your private space, could use in private reading area, and they're very nice. Though the plant needs a lot of sunshine, a little bit of water, but sunshine should be put where there's enough sunshine. You can put it in near windows, near where the sun comes out, and if you're traveling person, just situate it outdoors to make sure that it gets all the sun it gets. This is a very nice plant. It cost me some quite amount of money, but it's a plant that you could like to put it next to places where you don't like leaves to wither, or it's bulky. It's something you can put in a small jar, a vessel, like the ones I did. This is one. It can grow to be multiple, so propagate it in different containers. You could sell it out, or you could place it in a different places in your house, or in a place that you like to see plants. They look like almost like plastic. They're not so much dusty, but the beauty of it all is that it looks so nice, and it doesn't need so much care and so much fertilizers. So this is a plant I will suggest to everybody, that they are really nice plant. They're very intriguing, and I'll be doing other videos especially for the succulents. I know there's the devil's spine. There's also an Echeveria lotus that has more purple leaves or so. It looks purplish. But if you want to know that you're doing it no service, by leaving sunlight out, it will start to wither. It will start to look in a different direction, and it will start to grow tall, which will lose its feature that makes it much more beautiful to the eye. I'll do a little, and also another one on another succulent that will come with it. There are different types of succulents, so 4 or 5 that I know, but I know they are much more better off others. But these ones are the good ones that look better. It looks like a plastic one, but they are much more better than the other succulents. I will do others. There's lotus. This is elegans. The devil's spine is what I'm interested into doing much more later on. So this one will cost you about $10 with the jar itself, but other places, I know, it depends with the shop and anything you put it will be costed quite differently, but it's a okay. Thanks fellas. I'll be doing devil's spine again. Is I think pluses among is this, the succulents, and it's another one that is quite interesting. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that I can get to share for you with the different plants. There are a lot of plants around this area. I walk around Meru National Park in Kenya, and there's so much to see. Oh my God. Thank you for staying around.